Hi there! Welcome to Beginner's Guide, 8 Steps to Sterling Writing. If you would like to improve your writing style and implement those practices right away to get immediate results, then this course is for you. If you would like to get the reader's attention, maybe you want to get your resume at the top of the list, maybe you want to increase your conversions on your website, maybe you want to sell more product, maybe you want to get an A on that college paper or on that high school paper. Maybe you would like to stand out and get your manuscript sold. Maybe you want to sell your writing on Amazon. Well, the fact is, in life, if you want to succeed in your writing, you need to have a strong, tight, effective writing style. One that pops, one that gets the reader's attention, one that stands out, one that sizzles. And so if you'd like to create sexy and hot writing that gets the reader's attention with tight prose and also in ways where you can apply this right away but also in ways that last, then this course is for you. If you don't have a lot of time and you would like to implement strategies right away in brief and quick ways, then this course is for you as well. This course covers 8 strategies briefly, and each one gets to the point and tells you exactly what you need to do to help you to improve your writing style. We start first with sentences, and then we work to we first start with words, and then we work into sentences, and then we work into structures and paragraphs, and then we work into purpose and presentation, and then we work into habits and attitudes. The purpose of this strategy, of this organization, is that it's based on a unique system that is based on something called Bloom's taxonomy. And Bloom's taxonomy is a time-tested educational system in which people build courses and structure things where you scaffold. And scaffolding just means you build with like basic building blocks. You start with the foundation, and then you work to the next step, and then you work to the next step, and everything is connected in segments, and it comes together into a whole. And so that organizational structure is set up that way for maximum results. But what makes this course unique is that I have 12 years of university experience teaching thousands of students and coaching them on their writing, both on the page, on the computer screen, and also in a one-on-one setting. And so I have a lot of experience conveying those ideas. I have a lot of experience in designing curriculum and courses for maximum effect, and I also have 13 plus years experience coaching thousands of students and seeing the before and after of their writing, knowing what works, knowing what doesn't work, breaking it down in every component. And so I'm uniquely qualified to help you learn these components based on university level experience. And so I'm here to help you at no risk to you, and you can take this course and get the fundamentals of how to write and how to do it in a way that makes you stand out. So if you would like to stop being in a place where you don't stand out and where you can actually move forward and change your life, then this course is for you. And then it might also be that you want to go more in depth, and if you do, then become a professional writer may be something to consider as well. But this course is very low risk, and I'm here to help you, and this I hope will be in some way beneficial to your writing as well. And so who is this course for? This course is for bloggers, creative writers, students, for journalists, entrepreneurs, resume and cover letter writers, business writers. And so if you want to stand out, if you want to have strong writing, if you want to build credibility, if you want to convince and persuade people of things, if you want to increase the chances of selling your writing and selling products through your writing, then this course is for you. And also this course has habits and attitudes, because it's one thing to say, well, I'm gonna do these different strategies, but how do you make them last? How do you apply them in the long term? Because the only way to actually make something stick so that it actually does change your life, even if it is quick results, is to have habits and attitudes and daily practices that you can apply these particular strategies. And so this course also includes that. I look forward to helping you during the writing process, so let's get started.